बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन, सुपर नेचर अजीम कुदरत चैनल पर खुश आमदीद। Our today video is about additional revive for monetization after end of June 2018. On 4th July, 4 days ago, I received this email from YouTube. Your application to the YouTube Partner Program is being held for additional revive. We have been working hard to revive all application to the YouTube Partner Program, and now you have been waiting to hear back about your application status. We want to provide an update. When our team revived your application, we concluded that we don't have enough information to make a decision on your application at this time. Because of this, your channel Super Nature Azim Kudrat is being held for further revive to make sure it meets our policies, and we will revive your application in the near future. However, this channel Super Nature Azim Kudrat do not have any copyright status, community guideline status strike. You have zero copyright strike. You have zero community guidelines strike, but not unable. However, channel under revive. However, I have 3,201 subscribers and watch hour in the previous 12 months is 7,241. However, we need 4,000 get for revive, 1,000 needed for revive. So I meet the criteria. Channel under revive to have reached 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscriber. Nice job. Your channel is now being revived to make sure it complies with the YouTube Partner Program terms and our community guidelines. We will email you a decision usually within a week. However, before I have here a notice about the end of June. Monetization not eligible. Partner verified. $sign here. $sign. So if you also receive for further revive, then please write an application to YouTube team. From here, help and feedback. Send feedback, click here. So please write here details and also send them images that you don't have any copyright strike and community strike, and as well send them images of your subscriber views, watch time, watch hours. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, then please share this video and subscribe Super Nature Azim Kudrat channel. Hit the like button. Along with new videos soon, we will visit you again. Bye and take care. Along with the bond.